Kingsman TV. Today I'm going to show you how to create a poster of your face in a name. Before we start, you will need to find a focus picture that you would like to use. I decided to use this picture because it's clear. Okay, now before, you need to create a new document by going to File, pressing Ctrl plus N or Ctrl plus N. Sorry. The width should be 1200 pixels, height also 1200 pixels, resolution 150 pixels per inch. The color mode is RGB color, 8-bit. Background color should be black. Press OK. Now press OK or enter. Now click on the horizontal type tool or by pressing T. Choose a thick heavy font. I pick Franklin Gothic Heavy. If you would like to also use it, I'll leave the link down in the description below. The size, I will leave it to be 300 points, but it will depend on the font you pick. So we choose sharp left alignment and a white color so we can be able to see the text on the black color. Type the first letter of the name. Now you need to make a copy of this by dragging down to here. Now you double click on it, type the second letter, continue till you finish with the name. Now you open your move tool plus clicking this right here or clicking on V. Now you drag each letter to the exact position you would like it to be. Now to make the moving easy, I'll prefer you to click on auto select right here. So if you click on this letter, it will move easily without you going to click on the layer itself. So let's arrange the letters as we want it. See you in a bit. Okay, now I'm done with how I would like to arrange the letters. Now to make it easier to increase the size to fit, not a full screen though, but proportional size, click on the first layer, then press shift whilst clicking on the last layer to select it all. Now you click on this button right here, then click convert to smart objects to make it all as one layer. Now to increase it, we'll press Ctrl plus T to bring this right here. Then we are going to increase the size, but before you do that, you need to hold on Shift plus Alt. Now click here, one end of the corner, then drag till you are satisfied, then hit enter. Adjust it. Okay, Okay, now the next step is to make a copy of your layer by pressing Ctrl plus J. Hide the copy and make the original active. Now you open the photo, drag it onto the now you drag it. Now we'll resize the photo in a minute. Now to insert the photo in the text, we will need to press Alt Ctrl plus G on Windows or Option Command G on a Mac. Now you can also go to layer by right clicking on it, and you make it as a clipping mask. But since we've already done it by using the shortcut, it comes here as release clipping mask. Okay, now we'll resize the photo by clicking Ctrl plus T. And also you hold Shift plus Alt and adjust the photo. Okay, you adjust it till it fits to your satisfaction, then click enter. Now you double click Now we double click on the empty layer at the bottom layer to open its layer style window. Now you click inner shadow, color should be black, blend mode multiply, the opacity 35%. You check use global light and the angle 137 degrees. Distance and the size are both 25 pixels. I click OK. Now you make the top name visible and active. Reduce the fill to 0%. This makes the layer invisible. However, any effects we add to it will not affect it. But if you reduce the opacity to 0%, the layer or its effects will be visible. Now double click on an empty space on this layer to open the layer style window. Click stroke, color white, size 3 pixels, position outside, opacity 100%. Click outer glow, the color box. Now we'll choose the color from the subject, but you can always change the color to what you want. Spread is 100%. The size is 10 pixels. Lastly, we'll add a thin layer surrounding our design. Scroll down to the black background. Click the lock icon to unlock it. Now you double click an empty layer to open its layer style window. Click stroke, click color box. Now you choose black. Size 25 pixels. Position inside. Now you click inner glow and a color box. Pick a color from the subject, but I will prefer to click on the border of the text to pick its color. Make sure edge is thick. Choke is 100%, size 27 pixels, which is 2 pixels higher than the stroke. Now you click OK, and voila, we are done. Have your beautiful picture in your name. You can decide to use any font picture you want. Make sure to subscribe for more videos and hit the bell to be notified whenever a new video is uploaded.